Hey everyone, it's John with Gridin Mobile Solar, and today I thought it would be a fun video to test a broken solar panel compared to a fully functional one. This one here was shattered during shipping, and this one is in good working condition. So we're going to compare the voltage and current going through and see how it affects it. Okay, so I've got this one set up in the sun, and I have the positive and negative conductors connected. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know it's windy out here. First, we're going to go ahead and test for the current. Testing solar panels is pretty easy. I'll put a link in the description to one of my other videos on how to test solar panels, so you can check out and see exactly how I'm doing this. So this is pulling 8.72 amps. This panel is spec'd at 9.78 amps, so that's pretty good. It's producing, it's producing at its best capacity, its full capacity for these environmental conditions. Now let's test the voltage. So this is currently bringing in 44.2 volts. This is spec'd at 49.21 volts, so it's really, even with the glass being shattered, still producing at full capacity. Let's see what the good panel does. Okay, so now we have the good panel connected. Let's check this out. First, I'm going to check the current by connecting the positive and negative conductor. So again, this is supposed to be producing 9.79 amps, and right now we're getting 9 amps. Let's go ahead and check the voltage. So this is producing 45.6. And again, 49.21 is the specs for this panel. So as you can see, even with the glass broken, it's not really affecting the output of the panel very much, if at all. But you don't really want to have a broken panel on the roof of your RV or house or anything like that, because it's going to allow for water intrusion, which will result in a short circuit, probably blown fuses, and potentially some damage. But if it's a nice dry day, it's an emergency, I guess you could get power from it. I personally would not try that. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of our affiliate links below. It really helps out the channel, and I'll see you out there off Gridin.